dozens of flights have been canceled from Winnipeg's Richardson International Airport. Highways are starting to close. The Trans-Canada Highway 1 West is closed between Headingley and Burton. Highways are out, trying to clear all of this snow from city streets, also clearing some downtown sidewalks. The blizzard is expected to continue this morning with winds strengthening throughout the morning. The blizzard ends near noon in western Manitoba and early this afternoon in the Winnipeg area, but the strong wind and blowing snow will continue impacting visibility through the evening. Now the wind gusting to 60 kilometers an hour, we're expecting the temperature to fall to minus 14 by Boxing Day afternoon.
Today, we've seen winds gusting to 60 overnight. Today, through the rest of Monday, northwest winds will be gusting from 30 to 50 kilometers per hour. So highway conditions will still be terrible through most of Monday.
Among the roadways closed is the Trans-Canada Highway between Winnipeg and the Ontario border, and two highways between Winnipeg and the U.S. border. The city's airport is getting back to normal after dozens of flights were canceled due to the blizzard.
But the aftermath is impacting many drivers. Here's a snapshot of highway closures around Winnipeg right now. Highway 75 is still closed to the U.S. border, and Provincial Road 200 is also still closed from Winnipeg to Highway 210. The Trans-Canada has reopened from Headingley to Saskatchewan and from Winnipeg to Ontario, but both roads are still partially covered with snow, so drivers are asked to use extreme caution planning to travel on either highway. Well, up to 33 centimeters of snow fell in Winnipeg last night until this afternoon. And as CTV's Madagascar explains, it's left people in the city with a lot of cleaning up to do.
A Christmas snowstorm blanketing city streets, driveways, and sidewalks. It's a storm meteorologists warned us about, and in many ways it did not disappoint. Around the city, its effects were felt by those stuck in the snow, some pushed out by fellow drivers, others stranded. Elsewhere, a snow loader trying to clear the way took down a transformer pole, knocking out the power to 1,300 people in St. Norbert for several hours. According to Environment and Climate Change Canada, up to 33 centimeters of snow fell in Winnipeg from crisp the weather, delayed flights at Winnipeg's Richardson International Airport.
So a number of airlines preemptively canceled flights last night and then some this morning as well.
Blowing snow and poor visibility closed four major highways, including the Trans-Canada, which was impassable from Saskatchewan to Ontario.
City plows will be out in full force tonight if you park along